It's a yogurt packing machine. It also can pack sauce and other liquids. Yogurt cup folding pot automatically infuse the liquid into cup. You can control all the operations by hand, saving time and energy. It's a water filling test. Its capacity is 700 to 900 cups per hour. It can run steadily, and we can customize the machine on the basis of your need. A final water cup can be pulled out neatly. English control interface. Extract the yogurt cup. Please contact our website to know more.